Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up Etsy shop step by step. Setting up an Etsy shop isn't just filling out forms, it's you officially stepping into running a business on a global marketplace. A lot of people rush this part, click through everything, and then wonder why their shop struggles or gets stuck later. The truth is, every single field you fill here affects how you get paid, how customers see you, and whether your shop runs smoothly. When you're ready to create your shop, start by logging into your Etsy account. Once you're in, go to the top right corner where your profile icon is and click on it. From the drop-down, select Sell on Etsy. This is the gateway that turns your normal account into a seller account. After that, click on Get Started. This begins the actual shop setup process. The first thing Etsy asks you to do is choose your shop preferences. This includes your language, country, and currency. This might look basic, but it matters more than people think. Your language determines how your listings are initially created. Your country affects legal requirements, payment setup, and tax handling. Your currency determines how your prices are displayed and how you get paid. Changing these later can be messy, so choose correctly from the start. Next, you'll be asked to name your shop. This is your brand identity on Etsy. It's what customers will see, search, and remember. The name has to be unique. If someone else already took it, you'll need to adjust. This is one of these decisions you shouldn't rush. A weak or confusing name can hurt you long-term, while a clean, memorable one makes everything easier. After naming your shop, Etsy moves into the payment setup, which is where things get more serious. You'll be asked where your bank is located. This determines how Etsy sends you your earnings. Then you'll be asked what type of seller you are. This usually relates to whether you're an individual or a registered business. This matters for compliance, taxes, and how your account is treated. Next comes your personal information. You'll need to enter accurate details like your full name, address, and other identifying information. This isn't optional. Etsy uses this to verify your identity and comply with financial regulations. If you enter incorrect information here, you can run into serious issues later, including payment holds or account restrictions. After that, you'll be asked to connect your bank account using Plaid. Plaid is a secure service that connects your bank to Etsy so you can receive payouts. Instead of manually entering everything, Plaid allows you to log into your bank securely and link it instantly. This is how Etsy deposits your money when you make sales. Once your bank is connected, you'll move on to billing information. This is how Etsy charges you for things like listing fees, transaction fees, and any ads or services you use. You'll typically enter a card or payment method here. Even though Etsy is paying you, you're also paying Etsy for using the platform, so this step ensures those fees are handled automatically. Finally, Etsy will prompt you to secure your shop. This usually involves setting up security measures like two-factor authentication. This step is often ignored, but it's critical. If someone gains access to your shop, they could change your payment details or interfere with your business. So don't skip this. Secure it properly. By completing this setup, you created your shop identity, set your payment system, verified your personal and financial info, connected your bank for payouts, enabled Etsy to charge and pay you properly, secured your account. Everything from getting paid to customer trust depends on this setup being done right. Pro tips, so you start strong. Choose a name you can grow into, not something temporary. Double-check all financial details before submitting. Use a bank account you actively monitor. Take security seriously from day one. Think long-term. This isn't just a test account. To summarize, setting up an Etsy shop involves logging into your account, navigating to the Sell on Etsy section, and starting the onboarding process. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.